Among the main determinants of poverty in Jamaica are low educational attainment levels and low income earning capability. Education is undoubtedly one of the most instrumental tools that can be used when seeking to eliminate intergenerational poverty.
The Ministry of Local Government and Community Development and its officers in central government and the municipal authorities are usually the first points of contact between citizens and the state. That contact has cemented the ministry's conviction of helping people and communities grow through education.
We don't want to create no dons. We want dons for education. And it is our responsibility, ladies and gentlemen, to save this generation of young people who continue to excel, continue to show potential. And this administration will spare no effort to create this environment that will give us the leaders that we need.
The ministry's education programs are offered through its various arms. Each year, elected representatives receive a grant of approximately $500,000 per division to assist needy students go back to school.
One of the greatest highlights of our social protection program is the assistance that we have been giving to our poor children through the education grant.
Then, through the Poor Relief Department, there are education grants and other back-to-school assistance initiatives. Every year, a robust and inclusive program unfolds, offering lunch and transportation assistance, school supplies, payment of examination and other fees, and school engagements, such as field trips and social activities.
Inspectors of Poor are encouraged to have a designated children's officer in each parish to design strategies geared towards promoting and expanding human capital development and developing the capabilities of our children so that everyone is self-actualized and achieve their fullest potential.
Recently, the Board of Supervision, an entity of the ministry, hosted its third annual awards and recognition ceremony. It was held under the theme, Education, the Winning Tool. 64 students who are part of the board's education program were presented with awards for academic excellence. The recipients are academic achievers at the GSAT, CSEC, and tertiary levels. Along with a plaque, each level top achiever received a grant. The GSAT recipient got $25,000, CSEC achiever $30,000, CAPE winner $35,000, and the CAPE top achiever $85,000.
The Board of Supervision is aware of the link between the lack of education and poverty, as well as the many challenges students of the Poor Relief Program face.
Here is one of the success stories.
I have been a beneficiary of the Poor Relief Department of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation for about 13 years now. I became a beneficiary of the Poor Relief Department because my father was ill and could not work to provide for our family. In spite of this, I never give up. I never missed a day of school. I was always present. This is because the assistance I received from the Poor Relief Department. I stand here today with much gratitude, and I am thankful for everything that this department has done for me. My father died, but the Poor Relief Department of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation was really there for me. I am truly grateful for the help they gave me and emotional support. I was now staying with my mother, and I was still receiving the benefits of this organization through her name. She wasn't working, so it was never easy. I can say I am smiling at the storm today. I did CSEC, City and Guilds, and CAPE at Jamaica College, and I did well in all of those exams. Also, I was a member of Jamaica College School Challenge Quiz Team from 2017 to 2019. I was a prefect, and I was also a member of the Honor Society. I am now attending the University of the West Indies, Mona, and I'm in the Faculty of Social Sciences.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, are the words of the late, great Nelson Mandela. Words being put into action by the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development through its various educational support programs, positively impacting the lives of children across the country.